How to create a split screen in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, import your two clips into the media pool and drag them onto the timeline on separate video tracks. Next, select the first clip and open the inspector panel. In the inspector, scroll down to the crop section. Use the crop right slider to crop out the right half of the clip so only the left side shows. Then, adjust the position X value to move this clip slightly to the left to make space for the other clip. After that, select the second clip and go to the crop section in the inspector. This time, use the crop left slider to remove the left half of the clip, leaving only the right side visible. Adjust the position X value for the second clip to move it slightly to the right so it aligns perfectly next to the first clip. Make sure both clips line up without overlapping to create a clean split screen effect. You can also fine-tune the crop and position settings if needed to get the exact look you want. Preview your timeline to check that both clips are balanced and the split screen looks seamless. And that's it. Now you know how to create a split screen in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.